In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic reminders in DocuSign. If your agreements tend to stall in inboxes, automatic reminders can nudge recipients on your behalf and keep your workflow moving. I'll walk you through the setup so you can turn them on with confidence and save time on manual follow-ups. Start by heading to the DocuSign website and signing in with your account. Make sure you have sender permissions, because reminders are controlled by the sender of the envelope. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, you may need to ask your account admin to grant you the correct role. Next, create a new envelope. Click New, then choose Send an envelope. Upload the document or documents you want to send. You can drag and drop files or use the Upload button. Add your recipients' names and email addresses carefully, since reminders go to whatever emails you enter here. If you use a signing order, verify it now so the right person gets notified at the right time. After your recipients are added, scroll down to the Message to All Recipients section. Look for the Advanced Options link or button. Depending on your layout, it may appear near the bottom of the page or along the side panel. Click it to expand additional settings specific to this envelope. By the way, I've placed a direct link to the DocuSign website at the very top of the description so you can open it and follow along step by step. Inside Advanced Options, find the Reminders section and toggle Enable Automatic Reminders. Now choose how often reminders should be sent. You can set them to go out daily or space them every few days, such as every 3 days, so you're persistent without overwhelming recipients. Next, choose when to start sending reminders, like after a certain number of days since the envelope was first sent. If your workflow involves different stakeholders, you can optionally customize reminders for each recipient, which is helpful when some people need more frequent nudges than others. Before sending, take a moment to review your reminder schedule along with the rest of your envelope details. When everything looks good, click Send. From here, DocuSign will automatically deliver reminder emails according to the cadence you selected. And those reminders will stop once all required actions are completed or the envelope is finished. That's all there is to it. You've enabled automatic reminders in DocuSign and streamlined your follow-up process. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe for more practical guides, and leave any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.